Howdy everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's always good to have you here. As always, we are here to talk all things Forex and prop trading, and this time we've got a brand new review video for you. On this one, we're going to go over Direct Funded Trader and take a dive into exactly what it is they're offering to traders. So in this video, we'll unpack everything you need to know from the funding models, the funding feasibility, standout features, and the community perspective, so you can really determine whether this firm aligns with your trading ambitions. As always, make sure you stick around until the end of the video. We've got an exclusive discount code that I'm sure you won't want to miss. With that said though, let's dive in. Let's check out Direct Funded Trader, what they're all about, and why they might be the ideal choice for your trading journey. Let's go. All right, if you're just hearing about Direct Funded Trader, here's a few things you need to know. The firm officially launched in February 2023, and they are operating out of Dubai, UAE, arguably the most popular rising hub for global finance and fintech. In just a short couple of years, Direct Funded Trader has built a strong reputation in the industry, largely through their flexible funding programs. They also run everything on MetaTrader 5 platform. But let's dive in. Let's take a look at their different funding programs, the trading rules, and what makes this firm a serious contender in the prop trading space. So I'm going to skim over a few things here and come down to their programs in terms of their funding options. So they offer three, but there's two. There is an evaluation program really designed for traders who prefer a more structured step-by-step process. And then there's the fast funding, more suitable for those who are seeking a quicker route to capital, maybe with a bit of experience already. Let's start with the evaluation program. So it's a two-step challenge designed really to assess a trader's consistency, profitability, and risk management over time. Now you can select account sizes ranging anywhere from $5,000 up to $200,000, leverage of up to 1 to 100 depending on the instrument. And once again, this is ideal for traders who are disciplined and they have a structured evaluation and still benefiting from flexible time constraints. So in phase one, you have a profit target of 8% without violating your 5% maximum daily loss or 10% overall loss rules. There's no maximum trading days, so no time pressure there, but you do need to complete a minimum of 5 trading days in order to move forward. Phase 2 mirrors the same rules, but with a 5% profit target and another 5 minimum trading days before qualifying for a funded account. And obviously, once both phases are completed, traders receive a funded account, no profit targets, access to an 80% profit split. The only rules you need to keep in mind and follow are the 5% maximum daily loss and 10% overall loss limit rules. Now, the first payout becomes available 30 calendar days after the trader places their first position on the funded account. All subsequent withdrawals can be requested every 2 weeks, so bi-weekly. Additionally, traders receive $3 cash back per lot traded during the evaluation phases. So that's an extra incentive there for active trading. So Direct Funded Trader's fast funding program, this is offering a more streamlined one-step evaluation process designed for traders who want a quicker path to capital without compromising on trading discipline. So you can choose the fast funding and aggressive standard and also the fast funding aggressive. Account sizes ranging anywhere from $15,000 up to $100,000 on both of those accounts. Let's have a look at the general consensus and the objectives that you need to get through. So both options follow the same rules and structure. The key difference lies in leverage and trade management flexibility. All right, so the standard option offers up a 1 to 50 leverage, but requires all positions to be closed before the weekend, whereas the aggressive is a little bit different, hence why it is the aggressive option. And the aggressive option does not require you to close your positions. You have a 1 to 30 leverage and you can hold trades over the weekend. Now, to pass the evaluation, you must reach a 10% profit target while staying within the 4% maximum daily loss and 7% overall loss rules. There's no maximum time limit to complete the evaluation. Once again, a minimum of 5 trading days is required before you qualify for a fully funded account. And once funded, traders continue to follow the same 4% daily, 7% overall loss rules. The first payout is available 30 calendar days after the first trade on your funded account. Subsequent withdrawals bi-weekly, very much the same as the evaluation. You can earn 80% profit split and also receive that additional $3 cashback per lot traded during the evaluation phase. So making this program both rewarding and trader friendly. So just to recap, traders in the fast funding program, you've got to achieve a 10% profit target inside of the valuation phase. Once funded, there's no further profit targets. Risk management is enforced with a 4% maximum daily loss, 7% overall loss limit rules. You got that minimum of 5 trading days to complete. For the standard fast funding, weekend holding is strictly prohibited, so you must be closed before the market closes on Friday, while aggressive fast funding allows weekend holds. And once funded, a stop loss must be placed on every trade within 30 seconds of execution, or the account will be terminated. Additionally, martingale strategies are strictly prohibited at all stages of the program. Now, Direct Funded Trader also offers a clear and rewarding scaling plan that applies to all 3 of its funding programs. So how the scaling plan actually works, it's designed to recognize and reward consistent performance by gradually increasing a trader's account size based on profitability. So once a trader reaches a 25% profit on their funded account, they become eligible for a scaling boost equal to 50% of the initial balance. So this means traders who demonstrate that consistent success can steadily grow their trading capital without having to restart or apply for new accounts. So just a very quick example, if a trader starts with a $100,000 funded account and reaches a 25% profit, their account will scale up to $150,000. After generating another 25% profit, the account increases to $200,000. Repeating the same level of performance will grow the account to $250,000, etc. And it's a really long-term path, enabling traders to manage up to $1 million as a maximum. So you can certainly grow with the firm while keeping performance at the core of your journey. But certainly you can get your hands on quite a bit of capital here at Direct Funded Trader. Now, what makes Direct Funded Trader different from other prop firms? Because a lot of prop firms have scaling plans, a lot of prop firms have very similar funding programs. So what are they doing differently? Obviously, they have a bit of variety here. Not every prop firm does have variety. So you can go a faster route to funding, or you could go an evaluation. One of the biggest advantages though is the unlimited trading period. So just removing the time pressure and allowing traders to complete the evaluation at their own pace, as well as the $3 cashback reward per lot traded during the evaluation phase. That's a great incentive that we rarely see among all their competitors. And then once you're funded, you've got a bi-weekly withdrawals so you can access your profits more regularly without waiting weeks or even potentially months. So they're really distinguishing themselves through a variety of account types, no pressure time conditions. You can utilize the most popular platform being MetaTrader 5, high profit splits, weekend holding. It really makes Direct Funded Trader a strong and competitive choice in today's prop firm landscape. One very quick thing though is getting the capital actually realistic in the phases. When we look at that, one of the most important factors to consider is how realistic the trading objectives are, especially in relation to your personal trading style and your risk tolerance. Some firms, they really lure traders in by giving them a really high profit split and large funding, but those benefits quickly lose value if the requirements to achieve them are overly demanding. But receiving capital through the evaluation program and the fast funded program seems very realistic, achievable objectives, flexible timelines, very fair drawdown limits. Traders are given every opportunity to succeed. So very well balanced, accessible setup. And that's what's making Direct Funded Trader a highly recommended and popular option for those serious about earning capital in a sustainable way. In terms of payment proof, they've been in the industry for 2.5 years now, so they've got quite a growing amount of certificates from their traders. So you can go through, you can have a look. There's some on Trustpilot, especially in their Discord channel as well. Highly recommend you to jump in there and you'll see all those certificates. You'll see their trader wins. And any prop firm that you're going to work with, I always suggest jumping into their social channels, Discord or Telegram, so you can be up to date and have a look behind the scenes. In terms of brokers, so unlike a lot of prop firms that rely on third-party broker brands, Direct Funded Trader takes a bit more of a refined and performance-focused approach, I guess you could say. So they're partnering with a tier 1 liquidity provider, and this allows them premium simulated real market conditions. It ensures traders benefit from ultra-tight spreads, simulated real market trading conditions, lightning-fast execution speeds, deep liquidity, which are all critical for serious, high-performing trading. Now, when it comes to trading platforms, we touched on the fact they are using MetaTrader 5, trusted by millions and millions of people around the world. So you can certainly use the most popular platform there. And whether you're trading Forex, indices, commodities, or crypto, MT5 offers plenty of flexibility and precision needed to trade at your best. Now, in terms of trading instruments, You can jump over here to the FAQ rules and you can have a look at the different types of platforms, also the instruments that you can trade with. I do suggest that you go through and take a look through all of the different aspects here and get a bit more insight. We're not going to go through every single FAQ on this video, but in terms of trading instruments, so you can trade minor Forex pairs, global indices, precious metals, commodities, stocks, and crypto, and that's all within a single platform. Obviously, your leverage goes up to 1 to 100, though that does depend on the actual asset class and the specific funding program that you are participating in. Now, a major advantage that DFT traders can now see for themselves is due to this great relationship and partnership with FXAN. And this is bringing AI-powered insights and strategic tools to their traders around the world. So it's a great collaboration, introducing a really powerful suite of features, including customizable algorithmic systems. You can tailor your strategies to match your style, risk profile, market objectives. You also gain access to advanced FXAN developed strategies that have been tested by industry professionals. And these tools are really there to help the traders make smart, confident decisions during live market conditions. So this is a great asset to direct funded trader and their traders to have access to a great partnership and an AI-powered suite as well. Let's have a look at Trustpilot and have a look at the broader community sentiment. As we all know, Trustpilot is a great place to look, but also a place where people go just to be negative. So it's worth considering the good, the bad, and everything in between. As you can see, some people are out there just to be negative. But that being said, considering the good, the bad, and everything in between is very, very important. But overall, we do see quite a lot of very positive sentiment. One thing I'd love to see is a little bit more of this, obviously from direct funded trader to jump in and respond to some of these comments. I do like seeing that within a prop firm. But overall, you can have a look. I'm not going to go through and read every single review by any means, but go through, have a look, and that way there you can see what the broader community sentiment is. But overall, direct funded trader, they're growing in the industry very, very well, and we expect this to continue to grow in terms of their reviews. So let's jump back over to the homepage here and wrap this one up. So look, in conclusion, direct funded trader, they're doing some really great things in the industry. They're still growing their trader base, but overall they're providing very favorable conditions, lots of great incentives, great platform, great technology, and that's why overall they're getting a lot of traction in the industry, and we do anticipate that to continue over the coming time. Of course, we'll do updated reviews as they get more time in the industry, but overall, direct funded trader, we can certainly recommend as a trustworthy and reputable firm in the industry. Well, that's what I've got for you guys on this one regarding direct funded trader. Now, hopefully you found it enjoyable and informative, most importantly. Let us know in the comments below your feedback on the prop firm. We'd love to hear your perspective, especially if you are someone who has worked directly with them. And before we completely wrap up, make sure you give us a thumbs up on the video if you haven't already. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and social media pages so you don't miss a thing regarding the prop trading firm industry. And also make sure you check the link below. You can get your hands on the discount code for direct funded trader, as we mentioned a bit earlier. And that's just another perk of watching our videos. Great to have your viewership. As always, guys, we appreciate it. Happy and successful trading. See you on the next one.